Hello, Alex here with Allways Precision. I wanted to talk a little bit today about in-feed grinding and how feed rates can make a big impact on your results. It's common for us when we reach out with customers to find out that they're actually grinding too slow. This can have a number of disadvantages, from longer cycle time to increased heat on parts. The best way to optimize your in-feed grinding is keep an eye on your spindle load meter. If you have your wheel dressed correctly, you can actually achieve a higher feed rate with a freer cutting wheel and without overloading or overheating your part. There's also a handy and seldom used feature on our machines that I would like to explain here too, and that has to do with the feed rate override function. The feed rate override should generally always be set to 100% when you're grinding. However, if you're trying out parts for a new time, we generally recommend setting a very aggressive feed rate and then lowering your feed rate override as you're doing your first grind passes. As you're grinding the parts, gradually increase the feed rate override until you're getting a result that you're happy with. Now, in order to capture that, go back into your in-feed recipe and you can simply select which fields you'd like to redo the override on, and you can apply the override. When you apply the override, it recalculates your new feed rates based on the results that you got, restoring your machine back to 100% feed rate override, which is the normal setting, and you can get back to production. Reach out to us if you have any more questions or have challenges on grinding difficult materials and need any assistance.